Welcome back to Edu Skills OET Medicine.
And today we are looking into beautiful reading part C.
She needs to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing the channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and share this video to your contacts.
Okay, shall we begin?
Yes.
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Just search for the name in the paragraph. It can be an organization, a person, or a device, whatever. Whenever a name happens, you see in the heading word or the keyword of the question, you have to immediately go into that portion of the text.
Dr. Farron suggested that the group of patients diagnosed with the adult onset ADHD A. had teachers or parents who recognize the symptoms of ADHD. B. should have consulted a doctor at a younger age. C. had mild undiagnosed ADHD in childhood. D. were specially chosen by the researchers.
Yeah, see Dr. Farron, so you have a name here. Immediately you can go to the text to find out the name. And this name leads you to this particular answer. Again, a clue for you to reach the answer immediately. So that you locate the answer immediately. Suggestion, it's a suggestion, you know. The word suggest says it's a suggestion of Dr. Farron. Let's see. See here. Now, Dr. Stephen Farron. This also tells you whenever you refer first time, even in your writing, wherever, you have to write the full name, whereas in the question statement, they have said Dr. Farron, the second name. So always first reference will be the full name, second reference with the surname, second name. So definitely you can, you should not confuse. They think that the Farron is not here. So see, all these things are there. People who had sub-threshold ADHD in their youth. And perhaps you see the hedging word is being used. Okay. And sub-threshold ADHD in their youth. Sub-threshold ADHD in their youth means childhood. Sub-threshold is a childhood. So that's the synonymous language being used. Let's compare. See, Dr. Farron suggests that the group of patients diagnosed with adult onset ADHD had mild undiagnosed ADHD in childhood. Means people who had sub-threshold. Here he says, in Dr. Farron's words, the researchers found a group of people who had sub-threshold ADHD in their youth. Means they had mild undiagnosed ADHD in childhood. The sub-threshold is the synonymous being used for the childhood. There may have been signs that things weren't right, but not enough to go to a doctor. See, here it says, should have consulted a doctor at a younger age. Should. The modal verb is used. They are assessing whether you can understand the modal verbs. So here it says should have consulted. Here they say it was not necessary. Okay. These were like there may have been signs that things weren't right, but not enough to go to a doctor. There was no enough signs or symptoms to consult a doctor, but the B option says should have consulted. No, there was no symptoms to consult. It was not needed at all. But here they say it would have been recommended. Okay. Suggestive modal verb is used. Should. Had teachers or parents who recognized the symptoms of ADHD. Here, perhaps these were smart kids with particularly supportive parents or teachers who helped them cope with the attention problems. Supportive parents and teachers who helped them cope with the attention problems. Such intellectual and social scaffolding would help in early life. So here they are saying teachers, and they did not had teachers or parents who recognized the symptoms of ADHD. They did not recognize, but they helped them out to come out of these attention deficit problems. Okay, and were specially chosen by the researchers. They don't say anything about they were specially chosen by the researchers, these students. They are speaking in general, the student early childhood ADHD.